Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Third Thursday Thrift Flips, and it's an open invite, and that's hosted by Rustic Willow and Southern G More Gals. Okay, now here is a plaque shaped like a house, and we're gonna go ahead and flip this. This was probably thrifted from the Goodwill for about 25 cents. So let's jump into it. So I tried to pull off some of that paper off of this press board, and I just did the best that I could, and then was sanding it down with one of these sanding blocks that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and we're gonna wipe that down. And we're going to give that a coat of paint, and I decided to go with lavender. So what I'm doing here is just mixing a little bit of white with some purple paint until I get the shade that I like. And we're mixing that around, and now we're going to start giving it its first coat. I really think this was a really lovely shade of purple. You can almost see that little hint of pink. I think I'm really loving this color. So I decided to just do one coat of paint because we are going to be embellishing this. And we're also going to be using some florals. So by the time we're done with this, this is going to look absolutely beautiful. Let's move on to the next step, which is making a bow. What I did want to say is I'm going to link below both hostesses down in the description box below. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, and so make sure to watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, click that like button and comment below, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see how we decided to thrift and flip. So I decided to dovetail the ribbon, and this is a ribbon that you can purchase from the Dollar Tree, and we're just making your basic shoelace bow. Now the Dollar Tree is carrying a pack of the little hearts, and they're coming in pink, in raw wood, and in red, I believe. So I just grabbed a couple, and we're going to embellish the middle of that bow with one of those hearts. Now the Dollar Tree is also carrying the ornaments in the heart shape, and they're very beautiful. So we're going to also paint that heart, and when it's all said and done, we're going to start putting everything together, and I am so excited. dust of glitter. So I decided to use that to embellish that belt. We're gonna move that over to the side and let's start decorating the house. Now the message on this project is going to be love is a choice, and I think that's beautiful. For this collaboration. Now my favorite part of the project is always putting everything together, and this, I'm absolutely loving how this is coming out, and I really hope that you're enjoying the video. and then I grabbed 2 popsicle sticks to glue down the rest of the message, which is a choice. And we're going to be using the Mod Podge to seal that in. So that's what you see me doing here. And of course, I am going to incorporate some gems. So between the color and the house shape and all of the embellishments and the message, I'm really loving this craft, so I hope you did too. So now we glued on the hanger, and I think this piece came out absolutely gorgeous. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and let's get ready for the reveal. This is gorgeous. So I forgot to mention that in the center of all those florals, I put a gem that just gave it a little over the top look.